How to make pores disappear with just 2 ingredients. When people have oily skin, they usually have large, visible pores that they hate. For this we have the solution to your problems. The pores disappear with just 1 ingredient. Amazing results, and in a few days. This recipe is made with 100% natural products and very economical. There are many products that can be bought without a prescription to tighten the skin and diminish the appearance of dilated pores. But here too we give you the recipe so that you can prepare your own natural remedies at home. Preparation. The ingredients that you are going to use are water and baking soda. With just mixing 2 tablespoons each of baking soda and water, you will have a paste that will help you with your problem. Apply this paste on the face and let it dry for 15 minutes. After tightening the mask, rinse with cold water. Other effective remedies. The natural remedies listed below are also very effective, and the positive side of these natural remedies is that they can be only 2-3 natural ingredients. Cucumber, lemon and rose water. Start by peeling a cucumber and then crushing your meat. Then add a teaspoon of rose water and a few drops of lemon juice. Put the resulting mixture into a clean cloth, fold it and then apply it to your face. At the end, wash with cold water. Egg white and lemon juice. Prepare your own natural mask with a few drops of lemon juice and 2 egg whites. Apply the mask on the face and let dry for a few minutes. Then wash with cold water. This mask will help you tighten the pores of the skin. It will also help you remove dead skin cells and oil.